Let's go to AWS. I am part of AWS. I am part of North Virginia region. And if you want to see the network, VPC. EC2 is a region-based service. VPC is a region-based service. Before you do something, first you need to check what is there by default. One network. A network is mapped with the availability zones. In North Virginia, how many availability zones? 6. 6 availability zones mapped in the name of subnets. Only this scenario applicable for only default VPC. If you create a custom VPC and say it will not, that's a wrong scenario. Route table, public route table, internet gateway, who is supplying internet to the VPC? Through whom? Route table. In this classroom, do you see the Wi-Fi? How many 2 Wi-Fis? So do you see this cable? This cable is the one who is supplying the internet to the router. So this is a router. This is internet gateway. Cable is connected here. And this internet is only supplied to this cloud binary or to others as well? Oh, no, only to this cloud. This routers are belongs to us, right? So that means to this VPC, internet gateway is supplying internet. How? Through route tables. Inside the route table, subnets will be there. See, I'm explaining VPC concepts as well. Please focus. And DSCP, the moment you connect your device to this Wi-Fi, you will get one IP address. That will be assigned by DSCP. So DSCP is common for region, per region. Only one DSCP will be there. You can create one more internet gateway, one more route table, some more subnets, one more VPC. But DSCP is not that. Only one DSCP. Then you have MACL, it's a main gate. To whom? To this VPC. Main gate, this building, there is a main gate. If you create your own VPC, you will have your own main gate. How many main gates I can create? The year, as per this example, 6 subnets, right? 6 main gates I can create. Why to create 6 main gate? Confusion, right? Keep one main gate, one VPC, one main gate. But what is the scope? 6 subnets, 6 main gates you can create. Scope, you have a scope. Security groups are nothing but a main door to your operating system. So this is a summary. Before you do something, this is a summary. Now I am going back to the AWS. I'm part of EC2 dashboard. Here I'm going to launch one EC2 instance. I think we already launched one EC2 instance. I'm just checking. This one. Here I think web server is not installed. Okay, let me launch it. If anybody is new, they'll understand it. Web server. What we are going to do it on this? Host a website. Simple task is host a website where on top of the operating system. Which operating system? You may go with the Windows, you may go with the Linux. I am going with the Linux. And this is going to be a server 1. Why server 1? Because I want to achieve high availability. If I want to achieve high availability, in our smartphone itself, we are using 2 SIMs to achieve high availability. My website should be same process. If I'm hosting a website, if I decided to host a website, the website should be coming from one of the operating system. This should be coming from 2 different operating systems like this. Same content should be coming from 2 different operating systems. Why? If one physical data center goes down, same content is coming, right? So my customers will not face any downtime. Got me what I'm trying to say? If somebody says you need to provision high availability, how to get high availability means you must go with 2 availability zones, minimum 2 to achieve high availability.